today will be?
About a type of, I think it might be, something like this.
What shape do you think it will be? I think it will be
Cube.
because
Because, it's been going, sphere,
cylinder.
cylinder, rectangular prism, sphere,
So it
cube,
is-
cube.
let's see. Wait, what does Peyton think we're gonna see?
He thinks we're gonna see another cube.
Oh, Mason, what does he think we're gonna see?
We'll see another cube.
Oh, can you sit down in your bum? Yep, thanks. We're gonna flip it over.
But I know so.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're blurred.
Hmm?
I don't know, though. I don't have an idea. What would we call something like that? What do you think we might call those, Nikki?
Like block, like
Blocks?
dice,
I can tell you're having a really hard time focusing right
like a dice.
now. Like dice? You think these are like dice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
'Cause
How
I-
are they the same as dice?
Because I noticed dice are like that,
Or like what?
like those kind of cubes. Like
They're that kind of shape? They're cubes? Yep, dice are those type of cubes.
And-
How are they different than dice? How are they different than dice? Kelby?
Cause we have letters on them.
They have letters on them instead of
Instead of dots.
dots, yeah. Yeah, so they could be like number dice. Sure, that might be a word. But the most important thing is they're what shape, Parker?
Cube.
They're cubes. Oh, so we can fill this in over there. It's a cube. First grade, while I write that down, I'm gonna give you a little job. I'm gonna give you a card right now, and I just want you to look at your card and think. What's going on, and what does that tell me about what time it is? Oh, gotta wait, Peyton's not ready to not sit and calm. John, go get a tissue. I'm gonna give you a card, and I want you to look at the card and think, what's happening on the card? And what does it tell me about what time of day it might be?
Digital clock.
Oh, you're thinking to yourself, what's on my card? What do I see? And what do I think what's it telling me about what time it might be? Mac, I'll leave your card here if you're ready to join us. Once you think you're ready to share, what you think you see on your card and what it might tell you about what time of day it is, you can put your card down and a thumbs up. That's how I'll know. Oh, I love the way Kelby has his card down. He gave me a private thumbs up. So what's your job to do after you think you're ready to talk about your card? So Mason, I want you to look around at what you see people doing with their cards and how that's letting me know they're ready. Once you're ready to talk about what you see on your card and what it tells you about what time of day it might be, your card should be down. Still a few people who aren't quite sure what they see on their card and about what it might be telling about day it is. But maybe when we talk with partners, that might help. Can you turn knee to your number corner partner, please?
It's your car. How do you know it's not? It could be just there's no. This isn't a house. I think it's 7 o'clock. It's 7:00.
What do you think, Maria Celeste? Can you tell your partner? Oh, let's listen to Maria Celeste.
Man, he's putting
I see a boy sitting on the sofa.
What does that tell you about what time of day it is?
You could ask your partner.
What do you ask your partner?
What do you think?
It's telling me it is 12 o'clock on mine.
Why do you think that?
It's morning and
Why?
actually I think it's telling me it's morning because he's putting his coat on.
You can try asking them. What do you
because,
see?
He needs to go to
What do you
work
see in
and
the
needs to
picture?
put his coat on.
I see 7:00.
I think it's lunchtime. I think it's lunchtime because we're looking at a knife and no canned meat and yogurt and flakes.
What's that part?
I think it's in the morning. It doesn't the sun up and I know that 7 o'clock
Below the number
in the
line.
morning.
Exactly the same shape. Oh, it's a what? Oh, so let's see. It's a plug-in.
Trying to make
This is a plug. So what do you notice about your picture? Maybe you compare the two. I noticed this one back here is nice and light out. What does this one tell you? Why? How do you observe it? It sounds like you guys have some more hints. Maybe try talking about it a little more. First grade, you can try putting your cards side by side. That might give you more to talk about how they're the same or how they're different.
Back here, no. I think that there's a boy here and there's an analog clock. No, that's a digital clock. Digital clock. And there's an analog clock at 9. Power's out. Right? That's why the shop is What is it?
Can you turn your bodies back up in 3, in 2, in 1, and you're done. Can you put your card on the floor? So can I tell you something that I heard from Stefan and from Mac? You guys bring your cards up and hold them up for everybody, please. No, Mason, honey, I'm asking Mac and I'm asking Stefan to bring theirs up. Yours are on the floor, please, or I can take it away. So, Stefan was pretty convinced that this was only brushing their teeth. Like, yeah, maybe you brush your teeth before you go to bed. And Mac wasn't sure. And then I saw them put their two cards together, put them side by side, just like you guys did. And they started to talk about how they went together. And what did you guys come up with? Can you share what it made you think?
Well, we thought this was in the morning, eating some breakfast, and this was and watching TV at the same time.
And that one was?
This is probably getting ready for school, brushing your teeth.
Once they put their two cards side by side, it sort of changed their thinking. They thought maybe they went together. One is somebody who's is eating their breakfast and watching TV, and this person is brushing their teeth and getting ready for school. So we're gonna do it again. Oh, wait. And you're gonna put them side by side with your number corner partner, and see if that changes your thinking about what might be happening. You could say things like, they're the same because, or you could say, this makes me think. Go ahead. Would you guys do that with those? One of you go with Bella and one of you go with Evan, and see if that changes your thinking. I'm sorry, honey. So Nikki, I want to see you looking at them both.
And I noticed they're both cute.
This makes me think.
And I also maybe and then we put it. Oh, I know what I think. It's like getting ready for school.
Finish what you're saying in 3. Finish what you're saying in 2. Can one of you please bring up your 2 cards? Finish what you're saying and 0. Thanks. Oh, can I have one of you bring up your 2 cards, please? Yep, you got them, honey. You did it. You brought me 2. Great, you brought me 2. So helpful. Thank you. Yep, go ahead. Sit right back down. Sit right back down. Sit. Yep, put them together and hand them both to me. Great. Oh, I'm going to wait to see you sitting back down on their bums. So first grade, these are kind of small. It's going to be a little bit tricky for us to be able to see them. So we might have to bunch up a little bit because we're going to do something with these cards. Oh, not yet. This is not what we're bunching to. We're going to do something with these cards. Over here, what have we been collecting? Who can raise their hand and remind me? What have we been collecting? What have we been collecting, Riley?
Hours.
Ooh, we've been collecting hours. Oh, I'm going to wait for Peyton's calm and ready body. I'm going to wait for Wade's ready body. We've been collecting hours. Well, it's time for us to collect another hour. Who can tell me how many hours have we collected? How many hours have we collected? Carmen?
24.
We collected 24 hours. I'm going to read some of our labels that we have so far. We have 12 o'clock midnight. What's going on at midnight? What's going on at midnight? 7? What time of day
Lots
is
of
it?
things are hunting out.
Oh, yeah, animals are out hunting, yeah, that's true. What are you doing at midnight?
Sleeping.
Yep.
Watching.
Oh, and then we got this one. 12 o'clock noon. Oh, let's check our clock. Is it noon? Oh, not this time. It just happened to be that one day. What are we doing at noon? Where are we?
Lunch.
We're at, lunch, or we're at school. And then back down here, we have 12 o'clock midnight. Nikki, why don't you get a drink, honey?
Goes in circles.
Ooh, tell me, John, what do you mean it goes in circles, it goes in circles, it goes in circles? Can you try saying that again?
It goes in circles because it goes midnight, noon, midnight, midnight, noon.
Oh, so let's see if we can understand what John said. He just said it goes in circles. He said it goes midnight, noon, midnight. Wait, does it go midnight, noon, midnight, midnight? Or it goes,
In the morning.
let's think. Does it go midnight, noon, midnight, then back to midnight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that on for size. Let's think. So, honey, what do you do? Is that what it does? Does it go midnight to noon to midnight back to midnight? Oh, I'm seeing some people shaking their heads. Some people are going, yeah, I think so. I see some people have something to add. Amelia, what are you thinking?
I think what he's trying to say
Okay.
is, goes, midnight, noon, midnight, noon, midnight.
Oh, wait, say that again. Do that again for us, please. Can I try? I want to try saying what I heard Amelia say. She said it goes midnight, noon, midnight, noon, midnight, and then back to.
Midnight, noon.
So let's see if we can do that like John was saying, like it goes around. So let's start up here. So if it's midnight, it goes around. Midnight, it goes around back to what? Noon. And then it goes around again to midnight. And then it goes around to noon. And then it goes around to. Can you do that with me? Let's start at the top. I want to see everyone doing that. Okay, let's start at the top. Let's say midnight. Midnight, and then it goes around to noon. And then it goes around to
Midnight,
and around to.
noon.
Keep going without me.
Midnight, noon. Midnight, noon.
Okay, let's see. John, what do you think? Did you change your thinking? Tell us how you changed your thinking.
On my feet. I agree with Amelia.
You agree with Amelia? You changed your thinking and now you agree with Amelia? Oh, that's excellent.
Yep.
Oh, we are so squiggly. First grade, can you stand up for a second, please? Stretch up. We're gonna move our hands like the clock. Our hands are up. Okay, we're gonna go around, we're gonna count, go to our hours. Here we go. We go from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is right out at the bottom. Make sure your arms right down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is right back at the top. Here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6 is straight down. Yep, good job. 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ooh, very nice.
I said 13.
Oh. Okay, so first grade, sit back down. John, sit back down. And let me see who's sitting crisscross applesauce, because we're gonna scrunch in a little bit. Yep, so let me see who's sitting crisscross applesauce so that we can scrunch in a little bit. Because I want everybody to be able to see this right here, okay? Oh, honey, you're already moving, but you aren't thinking about where we're moving to. You're moving to me. We're not moving to me. Can I show you again where we're moving? We want to be able to see this right here. We want to be able to see this. Nope, don't move yet. Okay, you guys take a small scoot forward and scoot a little bit together. Great. Next row. Perfect. You don't need to move anymore. Yep, my next row. And kiddos who are up there, you guys can stand up and come fill in some spots. Oh, so Kelly, what can you do to make people be able to see behind you? Great. What can you do so that you aren't disturbing the people around you? Great. Stefan, I love the way your eyes are right up here. I can tell you're ready. No, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah. Let's see. So, no, don't worry about you. So we have these cards, and you guys got a chance to kind of talk about what you saw on some of them. Nope, we're done moving. You got to talk about it. So I'm going to pick one, I'm going to hold it up, and what we're going to try to figure out is, where would this go along our time? We kind of like made a time number line, right? Like where would it go? Would it be like midnight, something you do around here? Is it something you do maybe in here in the morning? Kelby, you're not being helpful. Is it at noon? Maybe is it something when you get home from school? Is it something we do at bedtime? Okay? So we're gonna try to figure out where it might go along here. And another thing we can look at is our clock that's up here, our analog clock. Okay, so let's think about what time of day. I'm gonna start with this one. So I'm gonna show it to you, and as you can do a private thumbs up when you have some thinking. I haven't showed it to you yet, babe. Oh, I'm sorry, no, we're doing private think time. Doing some private think time. Nikki, no thank you. I'm gonna go back through and give me a thumbs up if you think you can say, I'm thinking that person is doing, it might be. Good for those nice thumbs up.
Bella.
Hi, Chris, what's up, buddy?
Can I get Bella?
Yeah, Bella, go ahead. see who's got a nice thumbs up with an idea. Summer, what are you thinking? I think. Huh?
Midnight.
Tell me, and because.
Because in the back when it's dark.
Oh, Brooke, what did you hear her say, sweetie?
That she thinks it midnight look is
What does she see? Because it's
because it's dark on its
dark. Let's do a thumbs up because I agree. Or a thumbs down. No, I don't think that's a sleeping time. Yeah, I think it is. Or no. Yeah, I'm seeing lots of. I think this is like this person's asleep totally. So I'm gonna put it. Yeah, maybe we can do it like down at midnight or like after like bedtime maybe.
or maybe
Oh,
in the
I'm gonna
morning.
put it maybe down here.
Early in the morning.
Yeah. That person looks like it is bedtime and they're asleep. Let's see. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try this one. Mason, can you sit on your bum? Truman, I can tell you're forgetting to look. Ooh, I like how those thumbs went up so quickly. So start thinking to yourself, what did I say about this one? Can you just whisper to somebody close to you? What do you think this might go?
In the morning.
I think, hey, listen to Brooke, please. So you don't think he's brushing his teeth? He's brushing his teeth. Uh-oh, John. Uh-oh, Mason. Kelby, that's not what we're doing. So I heard some people say, yeah, I think that he's brushing his teeth for school. And I heard somebody else say, well, I think he's brushing his teeth for bed. Wait, we brush our teeth 2 times? We do it in the morning and we do it at night. At midnight? You get up at midnight, you're sleeping for a few hours, and then you wake up to brush your teeth? No, it's just nighttime, right? You do it before bed. So this could go either. Mason, turn. Mason, turn. This could go either. We'll put it up here. We don't have anything here in the morning yet. So first grade, throughout the rest of the day, I'm gonna give you a card. Just gonna give you one. And I'm gonna leave my paper clips right here. And I'm gonna send you over to see if you can place some of our things up here. At what time of day you think we might do that? And then when we look at it tomorrow, we can talk about some of the places we put stuff. We can talk about some of the places that we put stuff, okay?